CEO of TCL, Mr. Mrs. Shaibu, Deputy Marketing Director, Mrs. Montalbon, Director of Sales, Mr. Joseph Cervantes, Brand Manager, Attorney John Padilla, Administrator of Intramuros, and Mr. Martin Yesa, Animator and Artist. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good afternoon. On behalf of the Fernando C. Amorsolo Art Foundation, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to TCL, the Torrance Philippines, presenting heritage in every frame, featuring the works of my father, Fernando C. Amorsolo, proclaimed the first national artist of the Republic of the Philippines on the 27th of April 1972, posthumously. While much has been said and written about his life and works, we want everyone to see and understand that the man who was the artist was equally praiseworthy of reflection and emulation. He left behind not only thousands of exquisite artworks, but also a legacy of good values: love, beauty, simplicity, humility, honesty, and generosity. He was a simple person with a God-given gift, and he opened our eyes to realize that beauty is everywhere and good. And good will eventually come out of everything. Papa once said, and I thought, a man's goal is how he makes it. So why not qualify the beautiful? I prefer to paint the bright side of our country, giving emphasis on one aspect of Philippine life is not distorting its true essence. I want to capture the happy mood of every province with a different scene and a different character. I cannot bring myself into painting a funeral or anything of that sort. I cannot even bear the thought of walking to the cemetery of my son's funeral. Let others paint the melancholy, and I will paint what's bright and lively. Amorsolo, a highly respected artist, whose effort has been rewarded in terms of awards, honors, distinctions, and sales, and was looked up to us as a certified master, worldwide frame for him and the Philippines. He was very modest about enumerating his achievements that he preferred to keep himself away from the public when giving awards and recognitions. He found self-satisfaction to make people laugh and see things that nature gives us. Papa enjoyed painting portraits, and through his eyes you could see his expertise in doing so. Again, thank you TCL, Electronic Philippines, for moving on our solo legacy to digital interpretations by renowned visual artist Mark Pineda. I wish I could do what he's doing, but I'm sorry, I don't have that talent, and if only I have this, I could really move on my father's works. Papa is out there smiling with love and appreciation. Thank you so much.
Thank you once again, Sylvia Amorsolo.